Hi everyone! Today we will sew with you a pair of semi-fitted straight cut pants. You can also use the pattern to make shorts. Pattern pieces already include seam allowances for all edges. We start with the pockets. Interface the pocket opening area of the pocket top bag with 1 cm wide fusible tape. Pin the pocket top bag and the front leg right sides together and stitch on the sewing machine. Pin and stitch the pocket bottom bag on the overlocker. Press the seam. Stitch the pocket to the waist and the side edge to secure its position. Make a pleat by matching the notches in the waist. Pin and stitch the front and the back leg right sides together. Pin and stitch in seams on the overlocker. Press seam allowances towards the back. Slide one leg into the other right sides together. Pin and sew the crotch seam on the overlocker. Press. Fold waistband pieces in half and press. Pin and sew waistband pieces together. Press seam allowances open. Stitch the elastic to the waistband side seams. Sew the elastic to the waistband's long side, stitching half 1 cm away from the edge, aligning notches. Distribute the elastic inside the waistband. Place the waistband and the pants right sides together, aligning the notches. Pin and sew. Press the seam allowance toward the pants. Turn the hem allowance up and press. Stitch it. Your pants is ready.